Hello guys, so today we're making homemade sushi.
Okay, let's go. So first up, the thing is we need, it's okay. We need soup. We need the wrap. We have the wraps. So this is what we're gonna use to get the rice and put it inside. We only need a little, so let's go do it. This is what it looks like. This came from the bottom of the ocean.
Corn beef with
Yung sa kanya. Corn beef yung rice niya, guys. Okay, guys. Now, next thing is we need all the rice. And then, when you're done, we roll it up like real sushi. Bruh. Dali, lumalabas na yung sushi. Yung rice. This is what it looks like. Let's try test time.
Sarap. Ako mo ko.
Hey! It's yummy. It's like real sushi, right? This is homemade sushi. You can make it at your house. Those are all the things that we needed. So yummy, but I rate this 5 out of 10.
10 over 10.